Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are showing you a quick hack on how to take care of pilling that occurs on furniture. So a lot of times you have this with couches. We happen to have it with this, which is something that Holly uses in her closet. And we had a bunch of issues with it. You can see that this thing has a ton of pilling that's happening. I like to use the word piling, but you guys will just correct that. So the correct term is pilling. And so dog trimmers. So we do have Gracie's dog trimmers here, and it actually works really fantastic. It's just time consuming, but it will make it, instead of getting rid of something like this, you can see that if I do a small section over here, you can see it actually does a really good job. And of course you'll have to shop vac it or something like that, probably overdo it, but you can see that it does take off all of that little balling that you get on top of that furniture. So it does a really good job of doing that and taking it off. And if you have a dog trimmer, or this is kind of a hair trimmer or whatever, if you have this in your house, it works really well for it. And you can see how just in that little area, you can see how much better that looks versus here, where it has all of that pilling that's occurring right there. So there's all kinds of devices online. You can buy things. You can buy things that are made for doing this and things like that. But I already had this. It was already at my house. And so it does a really good job. It's kind of like you're shearing a sheep, or you're cutting your kid's hair, if you can do that really well. I can't. But because we already had this, we thought we'd give it a shot and we'd show you how well it actually works. No need to buy anything new. We already have this. So we'll continue to get this done, and we can then keep this instead of throw it away, because we thought it looked so bad that we were like, guess we should just get rid of this. But this works fantastically well. So that's it. Subscribe to our channel. If you have issues with pilling on your couch, on your furniture, things like that, give a dog trimmer a test and see if that works for you.